2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 148. Find a, b, and c. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we have a very nice question here that we're going to solve. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. Solution. So we have 2 raised to the power of a, let's rewrite the question, plus 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 148. So the first thing I want to do here in this situation is to multiply this part of the equation by 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of a. Now 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of a is still is 1, and 1 times this is still this, right? So I'm just using this approach, making this approach to make sure I open the bracket and see some possible solutions. And you know, I can use, apart from 2 raised to the power of a, I can start with multiplying both sides by 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of b, any one of my choice. But I want to start with a, 2 raised to the power of a, because of that's the first one. So from here I now have 2 raised to the power of a, right, bracket. So from here I can now divide this and separate this. 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of a. I'm now separating the fractions, equals 148, right? So from here, what other thing can I do? So from here, 2 raised to the power of a, bracket, 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of a is 1. So this cancels this, giving us 1, plus 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of a equals 148, right? So you know, when we have something like this, we want to equate this part to this part, to this part to this part, and this part to this part, right? The one here to the one here, and the one here to the one here. But how do we equate them? Now this is 148. Let's divide it, let's reduce it. So 148 here, 148 is divided by 2, we have 74, right? 74. So divided by 2, we have 37, right? And then 37, we have 1. So 148 is 2 times 2 times 37, that's 4 times 37, right? So we have 2 raised to the power of a, bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of a, bracket, equals 4 times 37, right? So from here, how do I equate them? Now you can see this number here, 2 raised to the power of a, is an odd number, right? But we equate it with the odd number we have here, and this is odd number, this is even, right? So this is odd, this is even, this is even, this is even, this is odd, right? So even, we equate it to even number. Now odd number plus even number will give us an odd number, so we'll equate it with an odd number, right? So from here we have 2 raised to the power of a equals to the even number, which is 4, and 1 plus 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of a equals 37, right? So from here, what's the next thing we're doing? 2 raised to the power of a equals 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2, right? So from here, remember when we have our laws of exponent, when we have a raised to the power of m, right, equals a raised to the power of n, what will happen? The power will equate themselves since the bases are the same. M equals n, right? So from here, since you have the same basis, so from here a will be equal to 2, right? That's for this part. So a, we have found a to be equal to 2, right? So for this other part, let's go on. So from here, this is, they have the same, just like we separated from here, we're going to join back together here because of they have the same denominators. So from here we have 1 plus 2 raised to the power of a, right, 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 37. From here we bring out this one out, 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals, right, over 37 over 2a, sorry, equals 37. Now this is plus 1. When it crosses over to this side, it changes to minus 1. So 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2a is equal to 36, because 37 minus 1 is 36, right? So for the next thing, what's the next thing we're going to do here in this situation? So for here, we'll cross multiply. So we have 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 36 times 2 raised to the power of a, right? 36 times 2 raised to the power of a, and we have found a to be 2 here. So we have 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 36 times 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, right? So we have 36 times 4. 36 times 4 gives us 144. So we have 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals 144, right? So from here, what can we do? Just like what we did at the beginning here, when we multiplied by 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of a, we'll do the same thing for this particular one. So from here, we multiply by 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of b, 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of b, and that step we carried out, we're going to carry it out here again. So let's just bring this 2 raised to the power of b, right? So let's have it here. So from here we will have 2 raised to the power of b, right? Bracket 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of b equals 144, right? Good. So from here, what are we now going to do? We will separate again. 2 raised to the power of b bracket 2 raised to the power of b over 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of b equals 144. Right? So from here, we have 2 raised to the power of b bracket 2, this cancels this, we have 1 plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of b, right, equals, now 144, know that this is even number, this is even number, this is odd number, and this is even number. So we equate even number with even number from 144. Let's check out 144. 144 divided by 2. So 2 in 144 gives us 72. 2 in 72 is giving us 36. Right? So 2 in 36 is giving us 18. 2 in 18 is giving us 9. 3 in 9 giving us 3, 3, 1. That's giving us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 16 times 9. So that's giving us 16 times 9. Right? So from here, what's this trying to tell us? That this is even and this is odd. So we say that odd number plus even number is giving us odd number. So we equate this to this one and we equate the even to the even. So from here we have 2 raised to the power of b divided, equal to 16, and we have 1 plus 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of b equals 9. So from here, 2 raised to the power of b equals 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. So from here, 2 and 2, we have the bases are the same, so the powers will equate themselves. B equals 4. We have another answer here. So now remains C answer. So from here, we have 2 raised to the power of C over 2 raised to the power of B, right, equals 9. And this is minus 1, minus 1. So 2 raised to the power of C over 2 raised to the power of B equals 8, right? So from here we can cross multiply and say 2 raised to the power of c equals 8 times 2 raised to the power of b. Now 2 raised to the power of c equals 8 times, now 2 raised to the power of b is 4, right? You can see b here, that's 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of c equals 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, right? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 16 times 8. 16 times 8. 8 times 6. That's giving us 48. 8 times 1, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 128. 128, right? So from here, what can we see? 2 raised to the power of c equals, now 128 is, that's 2 raised to the power of 7, right? If you can do 2 times 2 times 2, right, times 2 times 2 in 7 places, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. It will give 1 to 8. So from here the bases are the same, the powers will equate themselves, right? So you can see value for B, value for C, and we have here the value for A, right? A is 2, B is 4, C is 7. So let's have it here. A is 2, B is 4, C is 7, right? Here, right? So from here, what do we have? Now, if looking at the question here, this is the original question: 2 raised to the power of A plus 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C. 2 raised to the power of A plus 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C equals 148. Check. Let's check. We want to check our answers now, if it's correct. So we can see A is 2, so that's 2 raised to the power of 2 plus B is 4, 2 raised to the power of 4 plus C is 7, 2 raised to the power of 7 equals 148. Or does it give us 148? Right? So 2 raised to the power of 2, that's 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 raised to the power of 4, that's 16, right? Plus 2 raised to the power of 7. We saw 128, and we said 128 is 2 raised to the power of 7, so that's 128. Does it give us 148? So this is 20. 4 plus 16 is 20 plus 128. So 20 plus 128, of course, is 148. So 148 equals 148 here, right? So our answers here are correct. So A equals 2, B equals 4, C equals 7 for this interesting question here, right? So this brings us to the end of the question. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.